everyone, how are you all? Welcome to JAWAD UL MANZOOR Foundation. Today meet with Anfa. She is your junior teacher. What she is going to teach you today?
Welcome back to school, guys. Today we are learning alphabets. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for God. H for hat. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for owl. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for eye. T for tan. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for wow. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's repeat again, guys. Apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for God. H for hat. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for owl. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for eye. T for tan. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for wow. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.